Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Adam Kuperstein, and this is News 4 Now for Monday, April 8th, which is officially the hottest day of the year. And it's going to stay warm and clear tonight. Tuesday, going to be a little cooler. Still nice, though, with highs near 60. We could get showers, though, in the evening. And now we get to the news. A major development in that college admissions scandal. 14 people, including actress Felicity Huffman, are going to plead guilty here. Huffman's expected to admit to a single count of conspiracy to commit mail fraud. She's been accused of paying $15,000 to get a proctor to secretly change the answers on her daughter's SAT. The Desperate Housewives star claims her daughter didn't know about this or anything about the scheme, saying in a statement today, quote, "I'm ashamed of the pain I have caused my daughter, my family, my friends, my colleagues, and the educational community. I want to apologize to them, and especially I want to apologize to the students who work hard every day to get into college." Actress Lori Loughlin, who was also among the dozens of parents charged, is not among the people expected to plead guilty. And now to a tragedy in Midtown. A brick worker was killed today when he got hit by a falling chunk of the building that he was working on. This happened just before noon on 2nd Avenue and East 50th Street. Officials say the man was on a scaffold when a piece of stone from a higher floor came crashing down and hit him in the head. That worker was taken to the hospital, but he did not survive, and investigators from several city agencies are now looking into this tragedy. Well, the search is heating up for a New York couple who mysteriously vanished while on vacation in the Dominican Republic. Police say Orlando Moore and his girlfriend Portia Ravenelle were supposed to return home on March 27th, but they haven't been seen since checking out of their hotel in Samana. There's also been no sign of their rental car.
This is definitely not my brother. He's not going to just run off on a hiatus and don't tell his family.
Just one Instagram post, that's all it took for Alexandria OcasioCortez to fire up D.C. commuters. AOC, the congresswoman from New York, praised the D.C. Metro in comparison to the MTA, writing that the Metro is investing in public infrastructure. Metro riders were very quick to give her an earful. AOC backtracked a bit in another post, writing that, quote, "Taking the train on a Sunday without a delay or a track change or 1,000 people in the car seems like a minor miracle to me." And finally, a New York City cat is looking for a new home, a fat cat, because it probably needs a personal trainer too. Meet Barsic. He showed up at Animal Care Centers of New York over the weekend, and he weighs, get this, 41 pounds. That's about 30 pounds, heavier than the average feline. Rescuers say he's already working on losing weight, and they're hoping to find him a home that'll help him shed some of those pounds. That's all for News 4 Now. I'm Adam Kuperstein. Thank you so much for checking in with us.